Hello all, have a nice day. You may know money and love are both important aspects of a couple's relationship and they are often interconnected. Money can have a positive or negative impact on a relationship. It is important for couples to be on the same page when it comes to their financial goals. Talking about money can be a delicate matter, but it is important to address it openly and honestly. Aside time to have a dedicated conversation about finances and approach it with a positive attitude. Be clear about expectations and priorities when it comes to spending and saving. Create a budget together or discuss financial goals and milestones. Listen to your partner and try to understand their perspective. Be open to compromise and work together to find solutions. Open and honest communication is key when it comes to discussing money in a relationship. By working together and being transparent about your finances, you can build a stronger, more loving relationship. Oh, thank you.